Guys, June 11th, 2026. I got a call from a lady. Her AC's down. We're gonna go over there and see what's going on with it. I believe I know who this lady is. I think she's got a Ruud system over there. We'll go figure it out. See what's going on with it. I know if it's a 410A system that she got over there. Go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on. She says the outside unit's not running, so maybe it's a capacitor. Told her to shut the thermostat off inside.
In 1/4 mile, be either of the 2 left lanes, then turn.
That should be the first thing you tell these people when they call and they got no AC. Make sure they shut it off. You know, if the flipping thing's running out there, you know, let's say the condenser fan's bad and the flipping compressor's running, the thing's building up 500-600 pounds, 700 pounds pressure in the thing. Not good. Getting flipping hot, could blow a pin.
Traffic light, then take the ramp on the right.
I always tell these people, if the AC is not working, shut it off. Don't leave it running.
Take the ramp on the right to I-195 east toward New Bedford.
That's good advice for you. If it's not working, shut it off right away. Pretty hot today. It's like 80, 82, 83, something like that. Pretty hot. Huh? I can't hear you. It don't matter. If you have on fan, the fan will keep running. Let me check this first. Yeah, if it's on automatic,
yeah,
the fan will come on when the air conditioning comes on. But if they have it on fan on, the fan will run all the time. That's not going to stop the cooling.
Yeah, I don't know.
You've been changing the filters?
Yes.
Let's hopefully it's something simple.
Yeah, let's hope, huh?
Let's hope.
Very hot today. It's supposed to be hot tomorrow too.
It's hot today, I'll tell you. 21. It's been in 5 years.
Really? Already?
5 years. Well, that's running. Are you sure they're turning it on properly?
I'm not up there.
You want me to go? You want me to go check it?
Yeah, we're gonna go.
It all seems good. Unless they're not turning it on properly.
I have no idea.
She losing her marbles? Okay. No?
Z! Yeah! He's coming up.
Hello.
Oh,
I gotta check the AC.
okay.
Have you been changing the batteries and the thermostat at all? No.
No, it didn't flash at all.
Didn't flash.
All right, so put it on cooling.
There we are. And
72.
put the light on for him so he can see. So that
Yeah.
this way.
I don't know.
Checking the left side.
Says cooling on.
Put the light on for you, sir. Okay, can you see now?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay, sir.
It's on cooling, 72. Let's see what's going on with it.
Yeah, because I didn't even know. She called me. She said that outside.
I don't know, could wait.
All good?
I don't know, we're gonna find out. Should have a delay on it. Compressor's running, but the fan's not running. The fan's not running. The fan's not running.
That bad?
Oh, it might be a capacitor. Let me check the capacitor and see if the fan part's bad on the capacitor. What should that be? A 40-5. Could be this capacitor's bad. Let me check it.
Okay.
Let's hope that's what it is. It did start when I pushed it in manually. That's why I told you to shut it off, because if not, you could burn it out.
Yeah.
That's exactly why I told you to shut it off. Alright, let's see what we got here. From there, fan. Yeah, capacitor's bad. Should be 5, it's dead. So let me change the capacitor. That's a 40-5. I should have that in the truck. That should take care of it. Capacitor's bad. That was the best case scenario. Motor's flipping hot. That's why I tell them to shut it off. That right there is why I tell them, because that burn out the flipping unit. Cook the flipping motor, burn the compressor out. Alright, I got my capacitors in here. I should have a 40-5 in here. Here we go. 40-5. It's the one I want right there. Alright, I should be able to... How you liking retirement? How you like retirement?
I like it.
You do?
Yeah.
See, you got your slippers on. You must be really liking it.
My slippers.
You got your flipping slippers on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Enjoying life, right?
But you never know.
Why not? Alright, I'm gonna put like a... $40-5. That's what we want. That's the fan part. That one goes on the fan. You got the power disconnected. Then purple is the 3-pole. That's the compressor. I got the power disconnected. And then these two are the neutral, the 4-pole, the common. This should be a 4-pole. One. There's one. That should run now. We'll see if it runs now. There it goes. There you go. That's a nice sound. Feel that's hot air coming out?
Real hot. It's hot out. Once they're running, yeah.
See, so that's why I told you when it don't work to shut it off. Because if you would have kept it working, you would have burnt the motor out and you would have burnt the compressor out inside. Because the compressor was running and that fan wasn't working. That's the worst case scenario, you burn them right out. So that's why I said shut it off. In the future, if it don't work, right away, shut it off. Good advice. I told you that when I put this system in, but you forgot it. You forgot what I told you. I told you to shut it off if it don't work, remember? No? You don't remember what you had for breakfast this morning. Never mind what I told you 5 years ago. Capacitor was bad, that's all. No big deal. Oh yeah. Charge is fine, nice and sweaty. Nice hot air coming out of here. Wow, the coil needs to be cleaned. Look how dirty it is. Is there a garden hose around here? I could... Does it work? I gotta wash that coil. Alright, so I clean the coil with the hose.
Yep. But I didn't.
You're gonna send them the bill?
Yes.